In today's video, I am going to teach you how to disable dark mode on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser window is fully visible so you can access the controls at the bottom or side of the page, depending on your screen size and current Chrome layout. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the area that lets you change the appearance of your browser, including the theme and overall color style. Click on Customize Chrome to open those appearance settings. After that, look for the option labeled Light. This setting changes Chrome from dark mode back to the light theme. Click Light to apply it. As soon as you select it, Chrome should update the appearance right away. The browser background, menus, and other interface elements will return to a brighter look. This can make the browser easier to read for some users, especially in well-lit environments or during daytime use. This setting is useful if dark mode feels too dim, if it reduces visibility for certain pages, or if you simply prefer the classic Chrome look. That is all you need to do. Open Google Chrome, click Customize Chrome, and then choose Light. That covers everything you need to know.